Hi friends, this is Rohan Jani. We always hear people around us saying that technology products change very rapidly. Products that were available 5 years ago are no longer in demand today. But what if I told you that without realizing it, even today, almost all of us use a technology product that is over 150 years old in our homes and in our offices? You heard me right, folks. I'm talking about coax cable. This cable, which was invented in 1880, still gets used today in a variety of applications such as CCTV cameras, walkie-talkies, cable TV for delivering the TV channels, and variety of other applications. The key to coax cable's success is its robust design that allows it to transmit signals in very rough environments. However, with rapid development in fiber optic cable design, category 6 cable, and wireless internet, we are seeing a sharp decline in the use of coax cabling. Most notably, the cable TV system has now moved over almost completely to IPTV, and also the CCTV cameras are now run over Cat6 cable, including delivering power over Ethernet. So, the big question that we all should be asking ourselves is it time to let go of this coax cable? And does it make any sense to invest our dollars in coax cabling in our next building or hotel project? I know that there are many cabling enthusiasts out there, so I can't wait to hear your feedback on what do you think is the future of coax cable. Is it here to stay or is the coax dead? Thank you all, and I will talk to you again next week. Ciao.